Tired of your mundane space? See how you can make this to swoon yourself and your guests. First off, tea lights. Take an old candle. You could use the double boiler method or direct heat like I did if you're lazy, till your wax melts. 5 to 10 minutes should be enough. Just don't take it out of your sight. Take a small cup, really tiny. It's gonna act as our mold for the tea light. If you don't have wicks, you could use a toothpick. Just coat it in some wax beforehand. If you have tea lights, don't bother. Yeah, let it harden and plop it up like I did. Toothpicks work, not as well, but you know, does the trick. Burns for a while, not bad. You could use twine if you don't have either of the things I mentioned. I suggest using something really solid and hard for the bottom, something that won't float up. So I chose rocks. If you don't have it, maybe rice will work. Not sure. Oh wait, rice will work. Use greens. Little leaves make a major difference. I stole these from my rooftop, just pulled it off a tree. Honestly, everything looks good in water. If you have marbles, stick them in as well. If you don't like tea lights, or you don't want to use it, or you don't want to make it, or whatever your excuse is, you could just leave it the way this is. It's so pretty. Shine a light on top and you will still cast amazing shadows. It'll look amazing. Lastly, light your candles. This is so soothing to watch. Casts amazing shadows. Make something out of nothing. Don't make excuses. Here's what it looks like in the dark. Do you see the shadows? It's so pretty. For decor stuff, follow NUZZLD. You won't be disappointed.